Say sweeter than honey. A joke TV, I eat everybody sit down and a breathe. That joke can't sleep from young at home.
Everything shine, everything parallel. SWMG. Madam Bad. She said don't be no idiot. Stop the way this something. Stop from be afraid that. Me say baby why you pray that. She said come closer. Let me tell you now your ears. She said try to the touch. I'm not cheating. From she knew about it. She said try to the touch. Give them the work and collect the box. She said.
That's the one. It's alright, so happy. And I'm glad to see you.
Of course not.
No, say
So
good.
wrong.
Babes, when a big man level, how long were they now?
Long time.
Long time. I have to tell you the truth. Yeah, the best thing ever happened in my life. Like, the world is like everything. And you know, say, boy, babes, you know, say, it's like, me just can't wait no longer. I just have to do this right now, right here and then, you know.
Hold on. Wait. Let me call mommy. Hello, mommy. Guess what? I'm getting married. Hold on. My sister, let me call my sister, babes. Hold on. Sis, guess what? I'm getting married. Yes. He's on his knees right now. Yes, sis. Okay, I'll send you some pic. Continue, babes. Continue. Babes.
Babes, me ain't sure if you did accept
Hold
it,
on,
so me just see a try a thing.
hold on.
Babes, me never sure if you did accept it. Cause remember say we did watch something and we see up UTech and we see the girl style nigga and I say, oh, you see me so.
Try something. Okay.
I get my yes man.
Nothing wrong if we start our life. Something wrong with that?
Yeah, but me need
But what?
chill now, babes. Chill, man. I'm almost saying, look at joke me around, man. Remember, say, I live with my mother, same way, man. I'm still a TikTok.
That shit just
Yes, you can't. Babes, I look at joke me around. Babes, I look good.
Thanks, baby. You look good too.
Say, I move so babes. You can't kiss it.
No, you're not. With just me. Why you move so fast?
Eat what? With something. Let me not eat. Look how much time I eat. I eat left and I eat right. What more eat you want me eat up? You want me eat up?
Baby, come on now. Is this something what every girl dream of? What every girl want their man to eat?